Let's use Knowledge Map 2.1 to reflect on our module, Discovering Our World. If we look at our map, we can see under the Explore category we have those power words like identify, investigate, classify, invent, examine, and record. And then if we look at matter, we can see that there are three types of matter. There are solids, there are liquids, and there are gases. When we think about our senses, we use these senses to help discover our world. Hear, see, touch, taste, and smell. So think about the read-alouds that we've had. If you find a rock, puddle puzzle, and then also looking at art. And think about how some of those are the same and how some are different. And what did you learn about the topic from each of the texts that we read? So let's look at our essential question as we wrap up this module. How does exploring help us understand the world around us? So in this module, we've read different texts about discovering our world. These texts can help you answer this question. You are going to pick one of these activities to show what you have learned about this topic. You can brainstorm and use the My Notes space to jot down ideas for your activity. Remember to go back and refer to those notes as you complete the activity. So activity 1, observe, explore, and discover. Think about how the text that you've read helps you understand how to explore the world around you, as well as the lesson that any of the characters that you've read about learned by making a discovery. So you're going to write 5 tips to help someone explore and make new discoveries. Look back at the text for ideas about places and ways to explore. And then your word challenge. Can you use the word examine in your tips? Activity 2 is called Picture the Matter. So you will draw or find pictures for each of the different kinds of matter. So solids, liquids, and gases. Then you're going to make a collage or just a giant picture and add labels to describe how the objects that you chose sound, feel, smell, or taste. After you have completed your picture or collage, you can share that with a partner or a parent, and remember to speak slowly and clearly, and tie it back to that essential question. How does exploring help us understand the world around us? I hope you have enjoyed this module.